So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to design this beautiful poster you are seeing on the screen using Arena AI. Right, I use a free AI tool to design it. Now, in case you are wondering on how you are able to do this, or in case you don't have money to pay a designer to design for you, now the reason why you're unable to do that with your AI apps is because you don't understand the prompting. So in this particular video tutorial, I give you a step-by-step method on how you are going to use the right prompt. All right. So there's nothing you cannot do with AI to design any banner at all. There's no professional design banner that you have seen that you cannot do with AI. So this particular video tutorial, I'm going to show you how I was able to use the right prompt because I'm a graphic designer. So I was able to use that knowledge to use the right prompts to use AI to create this kind of beautiful design. So it's actually very easy. In case you don't have money to pay graphic designer or you have a business whereby you have normally post all the time. So this particular tutorial is for you, and make sure you subscribe to this particular channel. So all we need to do is to first of all go to your Arena AI. So we are currently on our Arena AI. So Arena AI, we have what we call the battle mode. Right, battle mode is the kind of mode that it gives you two different side-by-side design. So you have to pick one from the two. But I'm just going to go to pick on direct. That means I don't want battle mode. So another good thing about Arena AI is that you have different access to different kind of AI tools. These are different AI tools. You have Flux 2, Flux 2 Pro. As you can see, this Flux 2 Div, Dream 4.5, Imaging 4. That's generates 001. These Hard Dreams, this Win 2, this ChatGPT. We also have Grok AI. We have different kind of AI tools here. Now, Arena AI basically have over 30 plus AI tools that you can use for free. The difference is that you can use the particular tool for free, including Grok AI that is currently 100% being subscription based, but you can use Grok AI here for free. So if you have not been using Arena AI, so this particular tutorial will teach you what you can do. You can see this Grok AI, this Grok imaging. You can animate your image using Grok AI. So we'll come back. We're just going to use ChatGPT 1 for this particular purpose. So I'll come here and print my prompt. Okay. So here I'm going to read this particular thing. I say create a banner design for my Instagram post of a football app banner design. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and make that correction here. Don't forget to always correct once you have any errors, because you know AI is garbage in, garbage out. So I will continue. I said the right top should be DSTV channels and two image, and add two image, Messi and Ronaldo. The World Cup image should be between them both. So much, there should be so much excitement on their face, and 2,000 naira only as the price of the app. So there should be a price tag on the app which is 2,000 naira only. Another important write-up they should add is watch this World Cup on your phone. You can see that is on quotes, right? This write-up is on quotes, so it means it's a special write-up that they should pay attention to. Now I said indicate on quote again, app for Android users only. So you must make sure you indicate everything. Though I'm going to leave this particular prompt on the comment section, right? I will drop it on the comment section so you can use it. So as you can see, we are having issue with our ChatGPT, so I have to switch to Queen Image. Now ChatGPT is currently having a downtime. You can see the usefulness of Arena AI because ChatGPT is having a downtime. We just switched to another, right? So Queen, I've already created our image for us. I'm going to go ahead. So let me try and just zoom in the screen. I think I zoom in the screen so that we can see better, but now to zoom out so that we can preview this particular image that was created. So I'll click on it. Now here is the preview of the image. Now if you can see very well, according to what we ask it was ChatGPT we send that prompt to, but we'll later use Queen AI, which is not ChatGPT. You can see that almost all the AI are doing well, right? Queen AI is not a popular AI that a lot of people know. We can see what it can do with graphics. You can see. Now here is the DSTV channels. I did not say it should be bold. That was a mistake I made, but I was able to correct it because the DSTV channels is very bold and the price is 2,000 naira only added there. So watch this World Cup on your phone, right? So everything that I needed was added. You can go ahead and download it, but I still want to check. Hence, I have access to free tools here. I want to make use of another AI tool. I think I prefer using this imaging for. That's Google Imaging. Once we click on the Google image, you go ahead and just post our prompt. Now, mind you, I use the same prompt, the one I've edited, right? The last one I edited. Now, the issue is that Google, Google, they always want verification. So you go ahead and click on this. I'm not a robot. Once you click on I'm not a robot, it's going to go ahead and activate. Then you will start generating the image. Now this is what Google image before generated for us. Now, can you compare this particular one with the other one we did? Is that the DSTV channels watch this video or this World Cup on your phone? The price of this tag is 2,000 naira only. All right, this one is very clear, but I don't really know. Let's compare it with the first one we designed. Don't forget that we use the same prompt. We didn't change anything. I didn't even add anything. This one seems to be more bold than this other one. Though they try to, their design is very, very close. I think Queen AI did a better job here for my own. All right. So, all right. So, if you enjoy what I'm doing here, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for the next video.